Okay, everybody, good morning. Next up, my next video will be taking place here in the kitchen today, and I am going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite breakfast meals. And what we have here is some Northern Gold Quick Oats, and this is usually one of my favorite breakfast meals. These are really good. This is a really good source of protein. Also removes cholesterol, has good iron, and it's very healthy for you. And I also like the way that it tastes. And even though I tend to think that the Quaker tastes a lot better, but anyway, this is a nutrition weight of 18 ounce and 1 pound and 2 ounces and 510 kilograms. Oatmeal helps remove cholesterol. 3 grams of soluble fiber from oatmeal daily, and a diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol may reduce the risk of heart disease. This product has 2 grams per serving. The date is a little expired on this, but I did have it yesterday morning, so nothing happened. These are the nutrition facts. Pause to read it if you have to. These are the cooking directions. And it also has the directions on how to make on the stovetop, as well as the microwave. Has a few recipes for making with this product. Just pause everything to read it. This is the pot that I'm going to be making it with. Some others would make oatmeal in different other ways. Some others would like bananas or strawberries. Me, on the other hand, I like to put bananas on mine. But today I'm going to be making mine with raisins. And these are some Lion California grown raisins. I don't think that I may have had the raisins in the instant Quaker oatmeal, but this is the first time me ever making the stovetop with the raisins. So hopefully I'll like this. The date on this is good, so I don't see these going bad. And what I also have is the Blue Bonnet butter. And optional if you want to make it with sugar or brown cinnamon, or if you want to mix it with water. I like to mix mine with milk. Tastes better that way. So, okay, so now I will do the demonstration of how I make my stovetop oatmeal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I have this measuring cup here, and I'm just going to fill, I guess depending on serving, fill the cup up to maybe about 1 3/4 cups. So I'll just fill it up to about, I guess that's about 3.5 there, if you can see it. And I guess you can just fill it up with milk or water. I guess about the same, depending on how thick you want it. Okay, so we'll fill that up. We'll turn the stove on. We'll put it on medium. I'm going to put some butter in there. Not a whole lot. Just enough to where you want the taste, the texture. So now we're going to open up these raisins. Smell pretty good. This is what they look like on the inside there. Let's go ahead and I'll pour those in. Not a whole lot. Optional if you want to put in brown sugar or regular sugar, but I like to mix mine with regular sugar. I guess I'll just put about 2 tablespoons in there. Stir that in. I'm going to add a little bit more milk because I don't like my oatmeal too thick. I guess that also depends on how long you let it cook. Okay, so just stir that in, mix it all up. Okay, I guess so we'll let that sit for a few minutes. This is pretty much what it looks like. Just letting that cook and just simmer it every 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens up. That's pretty much all you have to do. I'll add a little bit more raisins. Okay, so it looks like it's cooking very well there. Just keep stirring it. Once it starts to boil there on the surface, it's pretty much done. Make sure you don't want to let it sit too long because it'll stick there on the bottom. I guess pretty much all you have to do is just keep stirring it, and the thicker it gets, I guess it's pretty much done and it's ready to serve. Okay, so it looks like this is pretty much done now. Go ahead and we'll turn it off. I reckon it's thick enough to how I like it. Okay, great. And now it is ready to serve. Okay, everybody. Well, there you go. There is my morning breakfast of stovetop oatmeal with raisins. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and depending on how many views I'll make it on this, maybe I could continue on with my cooking material. So there you have it, everybody. There's my morning breakfast, and I hope that you all have enjoyed this demonstration. That will do it for now, and you all have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.